a Ford 260 engine, and it's a Fairlane. Is it an American Fairlane or Aussie? Let us know. Now let's take videos of the Japanese cars. Very, very, very nice. Sylvia. Don't know what this is, but looks nice. Might be a female driver as well. So that's a bonus at the end of the day. And the good old mighty Porsche. Carrera. Porsche Carrera. Now let's see how much balls this thing's got. Still didn't get what that was, but that was the guy that I did speak to earlier. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm going to end up, this is going to be the end of the video, so thanks a lot guys, see you all next month. Like and subscribe to Bendigo Aussie Burnouts and Drags, thank you. And thank you to the new friends that I've also made. You know who you are. Thank you, Vera. Thanks, Nat. Thank you to the boys with the 79 rotaries as well. It has been an enjoyable day. Shitty weather, but what can you do? It's winter. But thank you to everyone. Thanks to Leighton, the Colt. We'll speak soon and organise their stickers. And yeah. Alright guys. See you next month.